The barriers are going down again. That'd be for your 1918 Greater Anglia to Cambridge. But first, just arrived in is your 1911 Greater Anglia to Colchester. Getting ready to leave Stowmarket any minute. And it's 172.73. Right, slowly getting ready to depart now. Once again, it's your 1911 Greater Anglia to Colchester, 172.73. Right, your next train coming now is your once again 1918 Greater Anglia to Cambridge, started off from Ipswich. Is it one of the new ones? I think it is. Let me have a look. You are 172.70, I think. Is it? Let's have a look. You are 172.03. See you in a bit.